home. My family doesn't understand what I'm going through.
Okay.
I have tried to tell them multiple times.
Okay.
I struggle with alcohol addiction.
Okay.
My husband loves me.
Okay.
I just
Calm
want to
down.
go home.
Breathe.
They won't give me my car keys. They won't do anything.
Yeah, I don't think you should drive. So
Oh, I don't either.
That's probably a good
But
idea.
literally, she came and everything got worse.
Okay.
I just want to go
All right.
home.
Can you sit down on a step here for me?
No, because now I'm gonna I'm gonna lose my job because of you and her. No, because of you.
All right.
Because you guys couldn't
Hey,
fucking
can you guys
be
do me
there
a
for
favor?
me.
Can you guys go inside while I talk to her? I appreciate it.
Dude, this whole thing could have been avoided. Me and my sister have a bad relationship and we've had a bad relationship for years.
Okay. Where do you live?
I've literally been trying to go home. I've literally been telling them how I feel about my ex leaving me.
Okay.
About how I feel.
Who do you live with?
No one. I live alone.
The rest of you guys can slow down.
Like, they're literally trying to ruin my life.
Okay.
So if they want to, then fine.
All right.
I just want to go home, and I've told them that for the last 30 minutes that I just want to go home.
Okay.
And they won't let me go home, so they call the cops.
Right. Well.
Like, call the cops.
So here's the thing. We were told that you're gonna get in your car and drive, right? And we don't want that. You know. Obviously,
I was
it's a
trying to
dangerous
get
thing to
home.
do. Okay.
Like, I literally just want to go home.
Okay.
And
Well,
they
calm
won't
down.
let me.
Relax.
And they're trying to make a big deal
Sure.
out of nothing.
Okay.
My sister keeps insulting me and saying these things, but she'll never tell you guys that.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
No,
No.
I don't have anything.
What's your name?
Alissa Lester.
Alyssa Lester. All right.
You'll see that 2 months ago.
Do you know your social, Alyssa?
My cell phone. We go home.
Okay, what's going on here?
Dude, I'm going through a divorce. I'm going through a breakup. I'm an alcoholic. I drank again for the first time in 2 months. I tried to go home. They won't let me. My sister is always mean to me.
Okay.
And I just want to go home.
Okay, were you trying to drive?
Dude, I was trying to get home any way I can.
Alright.
But now, I'll lose my job and I'll lose everything because you're here. So, that's really great.
We're just here to check everything out, make sure everybody's okay, okay?
Everyone is okay. My sister literally has a big issue with me and has for the past 10 years. And she called. Just let me walk home. I don't want anything to do with you guys. I don't want anything to do with you guys.
I understand, but we got a call, so we got to check it out.
Yeah, I'm glad my sister cares about me so much that she called you. So that now I can't ever have a career again. I can't ever have a job again.
Why is that?
Because you guys are here to fucking, what, put me in jail for being upset that my husband left me? I didn't hit anybody.
That's not going to end your career.
Yeah.
It's not the end of the
I work
world.
a nonprofit.
Okay, well, it's not the end of the world.
It is the end of the world.
Where do you work at?
I work at.
Okay.
Well, you guys have ruined my life.
We haven't done anything.
No,
just
well,
sitting
you
here
guys
talking.
are going to. I haven't done anything. I didn't hit them. I didn't say anything. My sister fucking hates me.
All right. Let's.
Just take me home. Just take
Do you
me
live-
home.
you live-
I wanted to go home this entire time.
You don't live with anybody?
No, my husband fucking left me.
Okay, what is your name?
Alyssa Lester.
Okay, Alyssa.
I'm glad that my family feels like this is the way to deal with things.
Alyssa, we just need you to just hang tight, okay?
I need a cigarette and I need to go home.
Where's
And
your cigarettes
I don't know. I don't know. That's the fucked up thing.
at? All right.
I'm gonna block my entire family. Fuck you guys.
You're just having a disagreement right now, okay?
Oh, yeah, well, it wouldn't have been this bad if my sister wasn't here. She's the one who called me.
Okay.
So, what do you guys want to do? Arrest me, ruin my life? Go ahead.
Let's just chill out
Go
for a
ahead.
second.
Just go ahead. Go ahead.
Alyssa, just let's calm down,
I
okay?
didn't do anything. I didn't hit them. I didn't say anything. I said I was upset. I relapsed from drinking. So now we're spending our tax dollars on you guys coming here.
All right,
You said-
Alyssa, can you stand up real quick?
Oh, so you're gonna arrest me. Here you go.
Yeah, we're gonna bring you up to
Why?
the CI.
What? For
Listen,
what?
Because you can't take care of
Listen.
yourself.
I'm
and you have
fine.
nowhere else
No,
to go.
I'm
Put your
fine.
hand behind your back.
I have a house.
Put your hand
Alissa.
behind your back.
Stop.
What the hell? What the fuck? I didn't do anything.
Listen.
I didn't hit anyone.
We have nobody to go home to, so here's the thing.
No, I have myself. I have
Yeah,
a
we
car.
can't let
Alright,
that.
well.
We can't let you go by yourself. Okay.
What the hell?
Listen.
So listen,
I'm
just
never
listen.
gonna get a job
Listen.
again.
Would you listen? Calm down. It's just disorderly conduct, intox.
It's a minor
It's a
misdemeanor.
minor misdemeanor.
It's like a
So
traffic
it's gonna
ticket.
show up on my.
No.
It's like a traffic
yeah,
ticket.
it's just like a
It's
traffic
not.
ticket.
It's not a criminal. It's
Please
a
let
minor
me go.
misdemeanor.
I just want to go home.
Alyssa, you're intoxicated right now. We cannot let you go home. Okay.
You could have taken me home. So now
Listen. I can't
I'm
let you
never
go
gonna
home by
get a
yourself.
job again.
Yes,
this
you're
is not going to be on your
fine.
record. It's a minor misdemeanor. It's like a traffic ticket. Okay.
So I'm gonna have to spend the night at jail.
Yes, you are.
Yep.
For
Because
what?
you're drunk to a point where no one can take care of you, and you're causing a disturbance.
Aaron, you mind searching her?
So you're a danger
Guys,
to yourself or others right now. So
I don't have anything on me.
Let's go.
Can you
Okay,
get my
well,
phone?
I'll grab your phone.
we will.
Alright?
I'll grab it.
I'm gonna have to spend the night at jail?
Listen, it's just spending the night and you'll be released.
No!
It's
No!
not gonna be on your
What
record.
the fuck? It will!
I'll write it.
All right.
Oh, thank you guys so much. You guys are being so helpful. I'm glad my sister called the police.
Well, hey, look. This is way better than you getting a DUI.
I wasn't even gonna drive. I
Alright.
asked my mom to take me home.
All right, listen, I'm gonna have you stand up right here, okay?
Oh my fucking god. Can you guys just let me go?
No.
Why?
So
We already
we're gonna let
explained
you
you.
go so you can get into a car and hit someone because you're drunk.
I'm not gonna do that. I will walk home. I was walking home and then you guys did this
Yeah,
to
until
me.
you stumble into the road and get hit by a car or something. Like, you see what we're saying
Dude,
here?
I'm fine.
Kick your feet out. Where's her car at?
Which
she drive?
first?
Which one did she show up in?
The blue Toyota.
Okay, the SUV down there?
Fired with his light.
I gotcha. Oh, that's the one she drove over here, though?
Yeah, and I moved it,
So,
put it on the street.
I don't know if they explained it to you. We're taking her to the jail for disorderly intox. It's a minor misdemeanor ticket. It's like a traffic ticket. It's not a huge deal. You guys did the right thing calling us, because, I mean, if she got in the car and she was clearly intoxicated, so
Yeah.
it could have been a lot worse. So,
Well,
thank you guys for calling us.
That's why.
So, we saved everybody that headache. So,
Which one's her car?
it's a blue Toyota.
And I got both their info.
Okay.
I can add them. So.
Alright, I think you had her out before.
Yeah, I think I recognize her. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Did she leave anything over here that you don't want here? Or?
No, I have her keys.
Okay.
Oh, she might.
Out of jail tonight?
Maybe if you sober up.
Dude, I didn't do anything. I didn't hit anyone. I didn't do anything. I'm just upset because my fucking husband left me. Why did they arrest me? What did I do?
Because you were drunk, causing a disturbance.
I tried to leave. I was gonna walk home.
But the thing is, you're drunk to a point where, after causing the disturbance, you're drunk to a point where you are a danger to yourself or others.
I'm not doing anything. So now I'm never gonna get a job again because of my sister.
It's a minor misdemeanor, it's not a felony.
What is it gonna show up as? Because I work in non-profit, so.
It's probably not going to show up as anything because it's a minor misdemeanor.
Dude, and I have to stay in jail?
Yes.
Why?
So it's called community caretaking.
I didn't do anything. I literally didn't threaten them. I didn't do anything. I asked my mom to take me home. Please just let me go. You guys are ruining my life. I have a good career. I have a good life. I was sad because my husband left me. Please don't do this to me. What?
What's your name?
Alissa Lester. I'm gonna have a police record now. I didn't do anything. I didn't hit anyone. I just wanted to leave and they wouldn't let me. Dude, do you think I'm a fucked up person?
I never said that.
Dude, I didn't do anything. You're ruining my life. Dude, my sister called because she doesn't fucking like me. Just take me home. I won't go back. I'm not going back.